If you want to just stand up, no joke, stand up, and just do a nice like stretch. Loosen up the shoulders, and just, yeah.
To kick things off, I'm going to start with a confession, which is I love errors. And in order to maintain my sanity, I must embrace the fact that things are just going to break. I've come to appreciate what various errors mean and where they can help you out. And when the pager goes off, most of the time my first question anyway is, what is the error? Knowing what the error messages mean can help greatly speed up an investigation because it usually pinpoints where to look first.
I've met hundreds of people aiming for the best service ownership, and the happiest ones are going for better. They're fixing forward, starting small, and evolving constantly. Start where you are, examine your services and yourselves with compassion, not criticism. Maybe start small, like a name that's easy to understand, like reporting.
I want you to know that wherever you're at, you're not alone. Even when you feel the loneliest, even when you feel like you have no one to call, we are here. We all struggle. And if we could create an environment of courageous vulnerability, we wouldn't have to be alone. We could struggle together.